I finally made the switch from iOS to Android. Was it really worth it? Let's find out. Straight off the bat, one thing that I'm gonna say that I miss about the iPhone the most is the camera. Nothing beats it, my friend. Because one thing about it, the color science and the accuracy when the footage comes off from an iPhone just looks so much more natural. I was using an iPhone 12 Pro for about 4 years. If I compare it to my new fancy dancy OnePlus Open, I'm gonna say the iPhone 12 Pro is close, and it's scarily close. But when it comes to photos, this bad boy just blows it away. The reason I went for an Android was really just to be able to do this. The fact some people might be thinking that it's a gimmick and you don't really need all of that, but for me personally, I really wanted a device that combined the phone and the iPad for me. I really didn't like charging up two devices separately, getting the hands on both devices on a daily basis. It's just annoying. And the fact that I can just carry this device with me anywhere, be it on the tube, be it, downstairs just strolling around, I just open it up and read a book, that's just crazy. I have no regrets switching from the iPhone to the OnePlus Open, and the fact that I have a bigger display, it's as simple as that. It's really as simple as that. And to be fair, Apple hasn't been innovating at all since the time of Tim Cook. And it's really sad to see like a company like Apple who releases the new iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max with a feature which is not even released yet.
Your iPhone is the most personal product in your life. It's part of so many things that make you, you.
That's just shameless at this point. Like, how much are you going to be milking Apple? And that's just crazy that you're charging roughly about £1,000 a year for your flagship phone, and you're claiming a feature which is going to be out in the next 2 months. And wait, that's not it. It won't be even out of beta. And Google has been supporting Gemini for about like 4 to 5 months. And to be fair, it works really, really well. They haven't even gatekept it to like their best phones or something. I was really mad about Apple when they didn't give Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 12 Pro. And I was like, that's easily a feature they could have given it to us. Because to be fair, the phones have been using neural processing cores or whatever since forever, as long as I can think of. When were you planning to make use of it if you just had to gatekeep a feature? All in all, I just want to give like a very positive verdict on my switch to Android, and the switch to the OnePlus Open has been phenomenal. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it has 16 GB of RAM, it's got 512 GB of storage, it has an amazing Hasselblad camera, it has all the fancy dancy specs that you need. Hey! Want to mom the crease, If you're really concerned about the crease, let me tell you, it's almost not there. You can only see it if you're really looking for it and you have like a really white background. And mostly people like me usually use their phones in dark mode. Literally just eliminates the point of a crease. And the best part about it, what makes this phone better than any Samsung, no offense, but it uses a titanium hinge, because of which the fold is completely durable, it protects you from creases, and it gives a very good durability. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys think about the OnePlus Open and my switch from the iPhone. But let me be honest, I still carry this bad boy with me when I'm supposed to shoot something professional for my clients. As you guys know, I'm a filmmaker, and that is the reality. If you are really into videography and stuff like that, I would suggest that you keep your iPhone with you. But if you need one device that solves all of it, there is no option. Just go for a foldable. In my case, it's the OnePlus Open. For you, it might be something else, but that is it for me, and I'll catch you in the next one.